Can you believe it? Workers across America are unleashing their inner warriors in the biggest strike wave since Y2K. In August alone, a massive 4.1 million workdays went up in smoke due to labor activism. Workers in the US are striking at a level not seen in 25 years. Hollywood writers and actors are still in strike mode, battling for their rights in the AI and streaming changes. But they're not alone. The transportation sector, service industry, and education are in on the action too. Why, you ask? The cost of living is just too much, and they're done with decades of the same old little wages. With companies raking in record profits and CEOs swimming in cash, it's time for a change. Unions are demanding more pay, better benefits, and sweet working conditions. The good thing is that labor action is paying off. Check this out, UPS workers just scored a 5-year contract with a $2.75 hourly pay bump and heat safety measures. Meanwhile, the United Auto workers are taking on the Detroit 3 automakers GM, Ford, and Stellantis. They're demanding bigger paychecks, shorter work weeks, and the return of pensions. And here's the twist, public support for unions is surging. In August, 67% of Americans approved of labor unions. So, what's your take on this epic labor saga? Are these workers heroes or just causing chaos? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and follow for more financial updates.